Black smoke coming from your Instant Pot Vortex? Here's how to stop it. If your air fryer is suddenly pumping out black smoke during cooking, that's not normal, and it's a fire risk. Here's how to stop it fast and prevent it from happening again. Step 1. Cancel the cook and unplug the unit immediately. The moment you see black smoke, hit cancel and unplug the fryer. Wait for the smoking to stop completely before opening the basket. Opening it too soon can cause a flare-up if grease has pooled near the coil. Step 2. Let it cool, then clean the coil and tray. Once cool, pull out the basket and look at the tray and upper coil. If there's burned grease or food stuck near the heating element, it needs to be cleaned before using the fryer again. Wipe the area with a damp cloth and make sure the tray is dry and clear before your next cook. Step 3. Don't use foil or paper in the basket. Foil that touches the coil can ignite, and paper liners can blow around if not weighted down by food. The vortex relies on airflow. If anything covers the holes or floats up, it risks a smoke event. Stick to open baskets or use liners that stay flat and vented. Step 4. Avoid oily marinades and fatty meats without a tray. Cooking bacon, burgers, or marinated meats directly in the basket can drip grease onto the coil, especially if the tray is missing or not seated right. Always use the tray to catch splatter, and for extra protection, I use a mesh-style silicone liner. It keeps grease off the coil, doesn't block airflow, and stays flat during cooking, so it won't float or burn like paper. Step 5. Don't overfill the basket. Stacking food increases grease splatter and traps heat, which can cause flare-ups. Stick to a single layer of food, and if it's particularly greasy, consider draining off excess oil partway through the cook. If black smoke keeps coming back even after cleaning and adjusting how you load it, there may be a deeper issue. In that case, contact Instant Support using the link in the description. If this helped you stop smoke from your Instant Pot Vortex, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you're cooking greasy food often, I've linked the mesh silicone liner I use below. It keeps oil off the coil and helps prevent smoke without blocking heat. Thanks for watching, and keep it clean, not smoky.